wanted to show you guys these Pilates socks that I was sent to by the company. These are beautiful. The First of all, just like they make a great gift. The packaging is really pretty. This is the top of the box. It's like a very nice high quality, and the illustration on it is just really nice. I would definitely be happy to give these to somebody that's into Pilates or yoga as a great present or just to get for yourself. The quality is very nice. I'm really excited that I have these. It comes again like really great packaging. It's like a gift box, and then you can see they're like really great quality. They're going to definitely keep your feet warm. They don't feel thin or cheap. And then they have the grips right here as well as the outside. So it's perfect for Pilates, especially if you're on the reformer and you need something to grip, but don't want to be cold in bare feet. It comes in these pretty colors. This one has pink, blue, and green, as well as the white and the gray is all around. Definitely, if you're looking for socks like this, I would go ahead and grab this. These are gorgeous and really great packaging altogether, nice quality, and they wash well.